Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday, and I have a lot to say. Just kidding. But I do have a lot to show you that I think you will find very helpful for your own entertainment here. So we'll just start off with the funniest thing of the day. Earlier today, I was working on projects down here in the quilting room, and I was working on a small tote bag out of scraps, and I was putting the lining in and everything, and look what I did. Yeah, I sewed the handle inside of the lining. Yay, me. Oh, I'm telling you what. So anyway, this one has given me nothing but fits today. I don't know what my problem is. I can't figure out how to put it together to save my life. So I'm going to walk away. But for those of you who are curious what it looked like, this is actually the front of it. This was the back of the bag. And then this was the actual handle. I just can't get it together today. So I'm going to have to revisit this on another day. So this is going in my forget about it pile for the moment. But I thought you might get a good laugh out of that. It does happen. So I don't know have you ever done this before? Because, oh my gosh, it's so frustrating when you do that and you think, oh, I'm just about done. And you're like, no, I'm really not. It should be about this size though with the lining when it's done, and it has the little handle. And I wanted to make it scrappy because I thought it was really quite cute. It's got bicycles on it. So I posted a video on my Instagram yesterday and also on TikTok when I was working with this very same fabric. So I guess I'll show you what I'm working on this way. And again, I had to just put this project aside because I found that I was spending more time seam ripping than I was doing anything. So this is another one of those very large tote bags that I've been putting together. As you can see, I've got this side on. It has a pocket. This is the open side that I still need to put this on. This is the other pocket. This is perfect for like pens or anything like that. It's a really thin pocket. So anyway, these bags are fully lined. I have to do the binding around them. As you can see, that's why these are all clipped right here, is because of the binding situation. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a pocket here. It's really, really cute, and it will be very cute when I'm finished with it. So these take a little bit of time to put together. It's something that you really don't want to rush through, because if you do, you'll screw up and then you'll seam rip. And trust me, I know this because I've done it. So I am actually going to be selling these bags in my Etsy shop. And so I'm working on getting them together. So this is the bicycle one with the red polka dots. This is my Tula pink one that I made for myself. I showed you this. I've showed you this numerous times. This one is not going to be for sale. This is mine. But you can see I have a little pocket in there. And so I'm just taking my time working on these. And I like making them. So, and I have a pattern for them that I am also going to be putting in my Etsy shop that will be available for purchase. If you are a Patreon member, you will get the pattern for free, because I put all my patterns in my available for my Patreon members. It's one of the perks you get. So this is what I found at Ikea. And I have some footage of Ikea in this video, so I will link to that so you can see that here. Today's field trip is Ikea. Say hi, Brandon.
Hi, Brandon.
Are you excited?
No.
This is what I'm looking at for the AccuQuilt electric cutter, the Go Big. So I would put my heat press on this side, and I would put the AccuQuilt on that side, and then I would put my dies over here. And the rest of this I would store my vinyl and stuff in here because it's got a ton of storage. And then also over here. So we're still considering it. Here's another option, but the concern is that this middle drawer does not have enough support underneath it, and I'll get the same issue that I have now where it's falling in. So not enough support that way. I really like that. I like that look. Probably not going to be big enough for the 2 items that I'm trying to place on top of it. I mean, they have so many dressers here at Ikea. It's so cool. So if you're looking to, you know, decorate a craft room or a sewing room at an affordable price, this really is a good place to come and do that. And this is what I found at Ikea, and you might be asking yourself, why do you need these funnels? Well, this one is a little bit big. I can't see myself using this, but this came as a set. But this. So remember when we made the frogs? Yes, for those little pellets, this would work perfect because you just stick it in the side of the little frog and let it go in. I used the funnel. I used my husband's funnel from the garage. He can have it back now. But now I have my own. We were there to look at shelving units for my Scentsy stuff, for my warmers that I sell, for all the wax that I have on hand, and whatnot. And then also some cubicle little basket inserts for the kids' play area, so I can organize that a little bit better. And then I'm looking for a new area for my AccuQuilt Go Big and my heat press. And what I want is one big unit where those 2 items can share the space, along with my dies and all of my vinyl and infusible ink. And I know I have tons of vinyl and infusible ink, and I really need to go through my stash, and I need to sell it, and I will. I'm just getting around to all of these things. So like I said, these bags are going to be going up for sale. I already have 2 scrap boxes that are up for sale on Etsy as well, and it's fleece. There's 2 of them. I only charge you a small fee for the fleece. I think I charged like $5. I think that's what I charged. And there's quite a bit of fleece in each box. It's the shipping that you have to pay for, and I will only ship priority mail because it is more expensive to ship it if I don't use priority mail. So if it fits in the box, it goes. So I use the largest box that I possibly can, and that's what I charge you, with the small fee, because Etsy charges me fees to list, and that's how I'm doing it. So if you are interested in those 2 fleece boxes, Etsy, craftyauthor.boutique.com. All right. The next thing that I wanted to talk about was fabric. Can you believe it is going to be Halloween before we know it? So I was at the quilt store, and of course, you know, I just can't walk past fabric. So I got this really cute bat fabric because I think it's adorable, and I want to make one of these bags out of it. But oh, they're so stinking cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute for a lining fabric? And then I got these beautiful pumpkins. And these really cute little pumpkins. This was a very interesting fabric, but I thought it was so cute. And then this for the lining. So this would be the lining for this bag. And this would be the lining for this bag and for this bag. And then, you know what else they had? They had some of this really pretty Tula Pink fabric. And so I went ahead and I bought it. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Kind of crazy. It's been a crazy week. It really, really has been a crazy week, and it is only Tuesday. And I feel like time is just going by so fast, and I have absolutely just no time to do anything. And I don't know. I'm kind of lost my mojo this week, I think, a little bit. It's been so hot. You know, honestly, it's really hard for me to focus and do things when it is so stinking hot outside. And it's like been, I want to say like 98 degrees and above for the last 2 weeks. And I am just so hot, and it's driving me nuts, and my knee has been acting up. So that's the other thing. My knee has been acting up really crazy. It hurts. I don't want to go see the doctor because I'm afraid of what the doctor is probably going to say, and I don't want to hear that. So I'm avoiding the doctor like the plague at this point. But you know, when I was younger, I did a lot of gymnastics. I was a cheerleader, and I jumped around, and I did all kinds of fun things, and, you know, abused my body that way. And so now that I'm older, it's time to pay the piper, I guess. So anyway, if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. I do want to mention that AccuQuilt is having amazing sales through the end of July. So if you own an AccuQuilt cutter, or if you want to get an AccuQuilt cutter, now is definitely the time. That link is down below in the description box. I do have to mention that I am an affiliate, so if you make a purchase through one of my links, I do make a very, very small commission. I have all kinds of affiliate links down below. Check them out. They're all great places. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That helps the YouTube algorithm see everything that we are doing and talking about. And if you would like to share, that's great, because sharing is caring. Make sure you click the notification bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.